Since 1966, I-line circuit breakers have been regarded as the best-in-class commercial and industrial circuit breaker on the market. Electricians love them because, frankly, they are the easiest and fastest commercial breaker to install. Estimators, they know they save time on labor and overall installation costs with I-line. And engineers and specifiers, they know that quality and innovation goes into each I-line circuit breaker. After all, it's made by Squared E. And lastly, end users. They enjoy how flexible I-line breakers can be when changes need to be made after the initial installation takes place in their facilities. Watch this next segment to see how easy I-line is to install.
Today we're mounting a J-frame breaker into an I-line panel. Once we press the breaker against the bus bar, we take a flat blade screwdriver. Finding the notch on the mounting plate, we use a ratcheting action to fully seat the breaker against the bus bars. Once it is secure, we then tighten the retaining screw until it's completely tight. Once that is secure, we can now power the breaker on.